making viral TikTok videos. Why, do you need something?
Yeah, can you explain the combined gas law?
I guess I can. Okay. So let's take a look at a couple of the gas laws. This gas law is Charles's law. This gas law is Boyle's law. But we can take both of them and combine them together into one combined law. And this law looks like this. And if you can see, it's the combination of the two. In fact, here's Charles's law in red, and in blue, here's Boyle's law. And what you're looking at is both laws combined into one. This gives you the ability to make calculations when volume, pressure, and temperature change. It's fantastic. Let's start by doing number 1 on the assignment. First thing I want to point out, these temperatures are Celsius. Cannot use Celsius in any of the calculations using these gas laws. So you must convert them to kelvins by adding 273 to each of them. That makes this one 303 in kelvins, and this temperature here is going to be 293 kelvins. Now, you simply set up the law. On the left-hand side, your first volume is 3 liters. Your first pressure is 1.5. Your first temperature is 293. This equals the other side. Your first volume is your variable. You don't know that's what you're solving for. It's your x. Your first pressure is 2.5, and you're dividing this by 303. So from an algebra standpoint, it ends up looking like this. 1.5 times 303 divided by 293 and also divided by 2.5. This gives you your new volume. And this is equal to 1.86 liters. And that's the answer to number 1. All right, now let me help you through number 6, just to make sure you're doing this correctly. If you're setting up number 6, you should see that 800 milliliters is your first volume, and 300 millimeters of mercury is your first pressure, and you're going to divide this by 250. That's the Kelvin temperature. It's a negative 23 plus 273. Now on the other side, we don't know the new volume, but we know the pressure has gone from 300 all the way up to 600. And the temperature has risen all the way to 500. So, when you do the math to solve for this one, something unusual happens. Because the pressure doubled and the temperature doubled, you're going to feel like you did something wrong, but the actual answer is 800 milliliters. And that's what I wanted to show you, this one. Now, if you have any other specific questions on this assignment, let me know and I'll walk you through them. I hope the video has helped. Does that explain it?
Yeah.
Can I get back to making my TikTok videos now?
Okay, Dad.
Thank you.